Although all indicators are pointing to a seller's market, homeowners are still having some uncertainty and concerns about listing their home in today's market. This is Brandi Adkins here, your real estate connection, and I want to break down 5 concerns that sellers are feeling today when getting ready to list their homes. Now, we're going to start with economic uncertainty. As you know, many sellers are concerned about the state of the economy and its impact on the housing market. Now, they may be worried about job security, about inflation, and a number of other economic issues that could affect the demand for houses. And then there's competition. Even with low inventory, some sellers are worried about the competition that they will face when they sell their homes. They're concerned that their property will not stand out among similar properties in the neighborhood, or that they need maybe too many repairs. And then next is pricing. Now, setting the right price for your home is ultimately the most important thing. Some sellers are worried about pricing their homes right in a changing market. They're worried that their pricing may be too high and therefore sit on the market, or too low and not get maximum return on their investment, and they don't want to leave money on the table. The next is closing delays. Now, some sellers are worried that their transition may face closing delays with the buyers changing their minds or not being able to secure their financing. They worry that this will create a delay in closing on their home and their move. And then there's safety concerns. Now, some sellers worry about strangers accessing their home for showings and open houses. So keep in mind, these are all very valid concerns, which is why it's so important that you always work with an experienced and knowledgeable real estate agent that can talk you through any concerns that you may have and put together a plan on how to best sell your home worry-free. You can feel free to contact my team and I so we can guide you through this important decision.